How to share Google Drive links. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to open Google Drive on your desktop or on your mobile. This is basically the same on all the devices, whether you are using an iOS or an Android or also a Android desktop device. This is basically the same for all. So first of all, you have to click on Google Drive and open it. As you open Google Drive, then you have to navigate yourself to the drive that you want to send or the file that you want to share. So as you go to the file, you have to click on these three dots that will be located up on the Android, and if you click on it, then it will show on the desktop. If you click on over here in these three lines, then you have to go on the share option. And under the share option, you will have an option of who has the access. You have to click on who has access. As you click on who has access, there will be an access of anybody with the link. Now anybody with the link, you have to copy the link from the link option down over here, and now you can share this file to anybody. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.